When one thinks of Ontario, Canada, most think of Toronto or even Ottawa. But for some, there's a whole other world of small towns, gravel roads, single track, and wilderness. And this is where the BT700 lives and breathes. This is the BT700. Hey everyone, as you can see, the BT700 videos are about to come out, so I just really quick wanted to talk to you guys about what was happening with that and fill you in on a couple things that happened that changed basically how I went about producing these videos. So the first video will come out this Sunday, July 14th, and then other videos will follow every other Sunday after that. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it. The first video will be just of the first day and a few other things, so that's how it's going to work. I'll probably group days together after that. Totally not sure. I'm just going to kind of go what feels natural at the time. But one thing I wanted to mention is that the first 3 days, what I wanted to do with those videos has changed dramatically. So what happened was on the last day of the BT700 ride, I did something really probably to do with fatigue and just being a little worn out, but I accidentally formatted my big SD card that had all the first 3 days, actually all the first 5 or 6 days of footage. Yeah, so I realized it happened immediately, but at that point, I mean, what was done was done. When I came back to Windsor, I brought it to a local PC shop. They recovered pretty much all the footage. I was kind of excited at first until I got home, and what the guy at the shop warned me could happen happened. And while it looked like all the footage was there, all the footage was damaged, fragmented, and when I tried to use it, it just was not usable. I thought maybe I could piece some stuff together, but it was not usable. So luckily, while I was on tour and we took a motel, I had started downloading all the stuff from the SD card onto the GoPro Quick app. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get all of it. And in hindsight, yeah, that would have been great if that could have happened. But the Wi-Fi at the motel was crap and kept dropping stuff. So it just did not have enough time to get 250 gigabytes worth of stuff transferred at that motel room. So anyways, I just want to take a quick second to say to anybody that I had talked to on video and really hope to get in the video, I apologize that I didn't get you in there. Theo, thank you for taking the time to talk to me. Theo is the gentleman that organized the race this year for Matt Cady, who is the guy that created the race. Theo took over this year for Matt Cady, who created the BT700, and did an excellent job. Theo, thank you for taking the time to talk to me. I'm sorry that footage didn't make it in here, but yeah, it's all part of it. Matt Cady, we'll see him in the last video of this series, and it was great to see the guy that created this and get a chance to thank him. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to let you know what was going on with these videos and why it might look different at first. And if I talked to you during those first 3 days and you're wondering why you're not in it, that's exactly why. So I hope I was able to put together something that you guys will enjoy. And again, I apologize. It was a rookie error for doing what I did with the SD card, but these things happen. So luckily I had some other footage that I could work with between phone and other cameras. So I think I was able to put together something a little coherent, but please let me know in the comments below. I'd be glad to hear. So anyways, guys, stay tuned for the BT700 first video this Sunday, July 14th, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Cheers.